We all want to start 2019 off right. Laura Jennings, deputy editor at Good Housekeeping, and Dr. Leonard Guarente, leading aging researcher at MIT and chief scientist at Elysium Health, join us to discuss the science behind long-term health and share their best tips for living your best life. Good morning to both of you.
Good morning.
Good morning.
So, Lori, let's start with you and tell me about this partnership that you guys have going on.
Well, Good Housekeeping is really thrilled to partner with Elysium Health to share some great research and breakthroughs in aging. You know, at this time of year, we're so focused on how we look and our, and our skin and that kind of thing, but there's lots of stuff going on inside our body that can really help impact aging.
And let's talk about that, because you actually say there is really a direct kind of correlation between aging research and overall health. Explain that.
Well, over the past several decades, there's been really a revolution in scientific research on aging, and we've learned a lot about the aging process at a cellular level and genes that are involved. My lab, over the past 30 years, has worked this problem and identified a set of longevity genes. And these genes can maintain health in cells, and in preclinical studies, they promote health span, that is, a longer period of staying healthy. And so Elysium is really built around the idea of leveraging success in this basic research, the basic science of aging, into products. And our first product, called Basis, contains 2 ingredients, both of which can activate this set of longevity genes that I mentioned. And in preclinical studies, these compounds can promote healthier living for a longer period of time. And so we're very, very dedicated to now carrying out human studies, and we've completed one. We have several in progress and numerous ones planned that will extend this data to humans, and we think that this is kind of a new era in supplements based on rigorous scientific research.
Well, and that's my first thought. This has got to be fairly new. I haven't really heard much about this. And as far as these longevity genes, I mean, can you add more to your body? Can you just activate or reactivate the ones that you have?
Well, it'd be difficult to add genes.
Okay.
Okay, that's just really not practical. But what is practical, though, is if it's possible to have small molecules or compounds that can do this. This is how drugs work, to activate specific processes in cells, then that's a way to do it. And the added bonus with regard to Basis is that Elysium is built around the idea of natural compounds, that is to say compounds in the diet that can function, can be biologically active. And Basis has 2 natural compounds. So I think that this is, as I said, I think a new era in relating basic research on aging to human health.
All right. Well, Lori, let's let you wrap it up. Where can people find out more? What would you have them do?
Well, you can definitely check out the January issue of Good Housekeeping. There's an article on Elysium and some of the innovations that Basis is doing. And of course, you can always visit goodhousekeeping.com. And last but not least,
well, our website is elysiumhealth.com, and there's information about the company, about Basis, and about aging research in general.
All right. Thank you both so much. Happy New Year to both of you.
Happy New Year to you too.
Happy New Year.